I do not like Spirit Airlines, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. If it's your first time stopping by, I am a fashion and lifestyle blogger from the blog Style Synopsis, and I'm a content creator here on YouTube. So thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips, some tricks, ideas, whatever you want to call it, that are related to travel. So if you like traveling just like I do, stick around and I'm going to share a few tips and tricks that you guys might find helpful when booking your next trip. Disclaimer, I am African 100%. I love to save my money. I like to look for the cheapest, the bestest, the dopest deal there is when it comes to booking travel, okay? First thing, when I'm booking my next trip, I like to weigh my options. So, for example, accommodation, okay? I just don't strictly look at hotels. I used to back then, I won't front. But I recently started looking into Airbnbs as alternative options. Now, hotels sometimes can be a little bit pricey. Now that we're living in the times of COVID, a lot of hotels, won't accept guests coming for just personal reasons. You have to be an essential worker, or it has to be related to your job that has to be essential, whatnot. So many nuances and no one has time to deal with. Well, when it comes to Airbnbs, it's more flexible. They're more flexible. You have more wiggle room to pick and choose what you want. So maybe right now it's the best route to take. So just don't be hell-bent on just looking at only hotels. Airbnbs will give you the travel experience that you think you might not get. Just trust me, you will get it. Once you get to your destination, please do me a favor and just do not do only touristy stuff. Please get off the beaten path. Go out to the rural areas, go out to the city, blend in with the locals, get to know that destination that you came to visit. The only way you can get to know the core and culture of a new place is by blending in with the people that are from there. Seriously, if you stick to the touristy areas, I feel like everything you're going to be indulging in is going to be modified to meet the needs of the tourist. I don't know, I feel like you get the raw experience when you go out and blend in with the locals. Do things like that because you will learn so much about people's cultures, so much about our country. You get to try different types of food. Oh my gosh, street food is everything. Every time I travel, I have to try street food. I'm from Uganda, okay? There's street food everywhere. I grew up eating street food, so do not tell me that it's not healthy because I'm going to fight you on that. Street food is bomb. It is everything. Street food speaks a lot about a country and its culture. Yes, I'm passionate about that topic. Okay, let's go to the next one. So another thing you guys need to keep in mind when you're booking travel is the cost of your airline ticket. So every time I need to buy a ticket, I go online and of course I look at the cheapest ticket. I don't know who doesn't. I do. And I'm not gonna be ashamed to say it. I like to look for the cheapest deal. I use Skyscanner, which is an app that helps you monitor different airline tickets, going to the same destination. It will give you different price ranges that vary from airline to airline. It will help you, it will notify you every time prices fluctuate, go up, go down. It's amazing. I love Skyscanner. And then I also use Google Flights. However, there's a caveat. Yes, the ticket might cost you $100 one way from here to Hawaii. That would never happen. $100 to go to Hawaii, where? But that's just an example, okay? If it costs $100, first of all, you have to think, okay, what is the catch? Because there's always a catch when something is cheap. That's just travel 101, okay? Look at the fine print. How long is it going to take me to go from my gateway to the final destination? Look at those things. For example, if your ticket to Hawaii is $100, a flight from here, Washington, D.C. to Hawaii is roughly 10 to 11 hours, one like straight flight, okay? No layovers. 11 to 12 hours. When I went, I laid over in New York for an hour. From New York to Hawaii, it took 12 hours, okay? 10 hours. To be precise. There was no layovers. When I went to Hawaii with my family many moons ago, coming back We got a cheap ticket, and I didn't think when I was booking these tickets, because I didn't look at the fine prints like I'm telling you guys. We had to lay over at the LAX airport for a very good amount of hours. I will leave it at that. It was a very long layover, but it's because we decided to get a cheap ticket. So cheap tickets are good, but you have to look at the fine print. A very good example is Spirit. Now, I'm not gonna knock down Spirit, okay? I will not knock down Spirit, because I have been on a Spirit plane so many times, numerous times. But right now, as I speak, I hate Spirit, okay? Because it's just, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to tell you why I do not like Spirit Airlines, okay? I'll start off by telling you why I like it. I like it because it's cheap, okay? Spirit will work with any budget there is. Any budget you can think of, Spirit is your go-to. However, okay, Spirit Airlines will tell you a ticket from here to... Recently, I went to Mackinac Island, okay? My ticket was $75, okay? Round trip from Mackinac, from Michigan, from here to Michigan, Michigan back here. And the ticket was $75, but I could not take any luggage. I could not even take a hand luggage, a carry-on. I couldn't take a carry-on, just a tiny itty-bitty handbag for $75. Excuse me? What? I've met so many people that will say, oh no, I can't travel, it's so expensive, I don't have the money. Why? Why don't you want to go out and explore the world? This is where ignorance starts from. People not being open-minded and just trying to go out and learn and experience new ways of living, new people, new cultures. People don't like to do that. So these people out there that just have never traveled, and they think traveling is very expensive. It's an expensive lifestyle. It's an expensive way of trying to live life, but it's not. I will tell you right now, traveling is not expensive, okay? Damn, I'm too passionate. I just almost wiped off my lipstick. But you know, this topic just hits home, you know? Every time I talk to people that say they can't travel because it's expensive, they don't have the money, have you looked into it? Have you looked into how much it's going to cost you to buy an airline ticket to go to destination Z? Have you looked into that? Budgeting is key. You might want to say, okay, let's pick out a destination. Oh my gosh, let me think of a destination that people might think is, it's going to kill your pockets. Let's say you want to go to Jamaica. Okay, Jamaica just popped out of my mind. I love Jamaica. I've been there. It's amazing. I'll drop my Jamaica vlog down below. Check it out. Anyways, Jamaica, you want to go to Jamaica? Oh my gosh, it's expensive. I can't go to Jamaica. What? I don't know anyone. No, I'm not going. First of all, you need to go ahead and clear your closed-minded mind and do research on how much it'll cost me to go to Jamaica, how much are tickets to go to Jamaica, when is the peak season in Jamaica, when is the best time to travel in Jamaica, you know? Look into how much will it cost me to stay in Jamaica. Go to sites that will help you find really good deals on accommodation, on airline tickets. Just kind of do research to see how much in general it costs to travel to Jamaica, you know? Where would I stay? Should I get an Airbnb? Should I get an all-inclusive resort? Why are all-inclusive resorts more expensive than a regular hotel? You know, do that research, find out why, and then you can come up with your conclusions with facts. Not just based off of, I don't know what people base their opinions off of. But anyways, do your research, you know, find out why things cost what they cost, and you will be very surprised, you know, if you do your research, if you book your tickets. Like my thing that I like to do, right, when I travel with my family, like during Christmas time, we love to travel. So what I do is I start to look for accommodation tickets at the beginning of the year. I'm that person. February, I'm booking my trip for December. February, I'm booking my December trip. Like, that's just how I roll. You know, I like to look for deals ahead of time because that's when you get the best deals. That's when you get the best deals on hotels, airline tickets, you name it. Trust and believe. Do your research, book your trips ahead of time. You will not be, like, you will be surprised how much you be able to get for, you know, for little money. One takeaway that I want you guys to take advantage of is, every time you travel, please go with an open mind. Do not go somewhere new closed-minded. It's just so unattractive. It's just not a good look when you go somewhere and you just have all these very ignorant ideologies. Please leave them at home. Just leave them in your extra luggage that you're going to leave at the airport. Go to any destination with an open mind. Just be ready to experience new cultures, and just be open, because you're not going to fully enjoy your trip if you're closed-minded. Just let your mind go and just be open. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video.